Hello gentlemen, and welcome to the DP Labs channel. We got very lucky here, it's just snowed. Today we're going to try out a scooter with a tracked drive. So let's get started. So gentlemen, what do we have here? We have our scooter, the same one you've seen in our other videos. We've installed a tracked drive on it, the engine is completely original, everything else is original as well, and here we've attached the ski to the front. Sasha, what's up with the ski?
Honestly, I don't know who this ski is for. It's a universal ski from Severnpol.
We put it on gently.
We didn't have a skate, so we made our own, but this winter there was a shortage of snow, so we had to ride without snow, and it started right here. This 12mm steel edge got worn down by half.
Yes, because usually skates have hard alloy overlays, but for testing, we didn't want to spend money on buying them. So what do we have here? Well, right here you see we actually have a drive gear. This gear was manufactured from a material known as caprolon, right?
Yes, it's actually a polymer filled with about 6% graphite. We just took off the tire and made it from two separate halves. Well, as you can see right here, we just clamped it together just like this.
Yeah, because before this we tried using a wheel, but it kept slipping. And the track, where is it from?
The track is from a Umka snowmobile, I think. A children's snowmobile. At first we tried to shorten it a bit, but we couldn't weld it properly or join it together. So I completely redesigned the whole winter kit to fit the original track size.
Yeah, by the way, and the lugs are 10, I don't know, maybe about 0.5 inches. I think we need to look for something with 1.25 lugs.
19, well,
That's about, well, around 0.065 inches, but it should be at least 1.25, or even better, 1.5, because of the slippage. Well, that's the kind of design I ended up with. Some wheels from a cart, rollers, but here I had to. I made my own bushings, yes?
Yeah, I just needed rollers like these, rubber ones, and from industrial equipment I just took a wheel, and here it costs 200 rubles. I threw away the whole rim and just made the discs out of polyamide and grain as well.
And there's a bearing in there, right?
That's right.
So the suspension turned out like this. Nice, really solid and truly sturdy. It holds everything together very well. Go ahead. It's really not scary at all. The cart doesn't slip anywhere, and there's definitely enough power for the needle. Well, you'll see exactly how it works now. So gentlemen, here is our modified scooter, now turned into a snowmobile. Let's call it a tuning kit. The weather has smiled on us. It's already April, but we've had so much snowfall. Well, not that much, but we're going to test it out now. Here's this thing. We've already ridden it, but now we'll try to go a bit farther. So here we are, a whole gang, snowmobiles, a quad bike. I hope it doesn't get stuck. Kirill, it won't get stuck, will it? Well, alright, we'll pull it out if it does. Do we have a rope? Ah, oh, nice. So here we have Alexi, our test driver. I'll try it out too. Well then,
Well,
let's get started.
my devil is just fine right now, actually, at the moment, you know. Oops.
On the field where the game is unfolding, players are focused and ready, surrounded by the energy and excitement of the crowd. Spins like self-laughter. Just awesome. You're not spinning it. It's stronger. You lay it down like on a surfboard. It even spins, drops there. Let me say a few words here now. Well, gentlemen, the snow here is extremely heavy and sticky, so there's just not enough grip for the tires. If there was just a bit more grip, even a little more, it would really go better. Also, the controller heats up, after all. The load sometimes reaches as high as 300 amps and sometimes even 400 amps. So in this kind of deep, sticky snow, you can accelerate up to about 40 to 45 kilometers per hour at maximum, but the handling is just awesome. Truly Olympic level. Once you get used to it, you can really mess around and have a lot of fun. I think if you put on some 1.25-inch lugs, it'll really go and perform even better. It sinks right down to the ground. I really liked it. The suspension handles everything very well. So we'll keep going next year, but we probably won't see any more snow. The ride is really cool. At least here you can have a lot of fun with it, and it's a great experience overall. Well, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and all the best.